Thank you for the opportunity, Madam Speaker. My question is to the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. As widely promoted as the wide concern over the environment and sustainability, there still lacks a wide adoption of effective and efficient solutions. With the Ministry's influence over the chemical uses in our agricultural system, which has direct impact over the environment, your policies still lack the feasibility to adopt to sustainable practices. I would like to amplify on the factors like farmers' education, financial support, and technological advancements, which still have the scope for improvement. And also, these are the same factors which are crucial for the essence of restoring the green and healthy meaning of agriculture. As we move ahead towards a Viksit Bharat with the idea of Vikas Bhi Virasat Bhi, it is an alarming need for us to safeguard our traditional agricultural practices, which has the core essence of sustainability. From 1 MMT per year in 1960s to over 30 MMT in the year of 2022 to 2023, the rise in the number of chemical compounds gets directly reflected on the rising proportion of unhealthy population and harmful environmental circumstances. We have increased issues of bioaccumulation and biomagnification due to soil and water contamination, and also harmful residues which enters the food chain and thereby the ecosystem. In the land of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, where farmers keep the nation out of hunger and malnutrition, it is of utmost responsibility to care for their safety. The unignorable consequences faced by the farmers due to the direct contact with the chemicals has alarming realities, for example, the cancer belt of Punjab. Approaching towards a Viksit Bharat, we must ensure to understand and undertake health as a factor of wealth which directly would impact our development. My question to the ministry here is, what steps is the ministry taking to regulate the current scenario of agricultural practices to promote sustainable alternatives and ensure food safety in the long term?